I'll be starting my onion seeds indoors within the next week or so, and let me show you a preview of what that process looks like from pictures of past years. So here my boys are helping me plant these onion seeds. We are using like blueberry or strawberry containers. Those work really well. They already have holes in the bottom and they have a lid on top with air ventilation. So they're having a great time helping me plant these seeds, and then we put them under the lights. And then after a few weeks to a few months, onions grow kind of slow, but this is what they look like after that. Kind of looks like grass, but the onions are growing well under my lights, and then it's time to transplant them outdoors. So I actually prick apart each onion plant and basically separate the roots of each onion plant, and the roots are very strong and resilient, so you don't have to worry about damaging the roots or anything. Onions, it's hard to kill an onion plant. And here is one individual onion plant. I know it's kind of hard to see, but then I put that onion plant into the ground, just put the roots into the ground into a little hole. You can use a pencil or a nail or something like that to make your hole, and then once the onions are ready to harvest, they start falling over like this. And then my boys were having a great time again, helping me pull out these onions. They pulled out some of the smaller ones, and we're having a great time helping me harvest. And then an interesting thing is, if you want onions for life for free and you want to save your onion seeds, you can leave one in the ground, and this is what it looks like the next year. It'll start splitting and create flowers. The second year is they're a biennial plant. So here's what an onion flower will look like when it starts to open up, which I think it looks super cool. And then here's another picture of it opened up more. This is an onion flower. So this one onion flower will produce many seeds, hundreds of seeds. And you can collect those seeds in a bag once this flower dries out, and you'll have onions for the next year. So follow along to watch how I do this this year and everything else that I do in my garden. And like this video. Thank you.